Here's how to buy shares of Viant Technology Inc., a programmatic advertising and audience data company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DSP. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the broker search box and type the ticker DSP to locate Viant Technology Inc. and select the correct listing. Open the asset page to read the company profile and view the price chart, confirming this is Viant Technology Inc. Check recent price history and sector details to be sure it's the right stock. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set to execute at market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.